In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Google form, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by just doing a quick Google search, searching Google Forms. You're going to click on the one that says Sign In, and it should automatically open up for you if you are signed in onto your Google account. Next, you're just going to click on Start a New Form. Now, there is going to be a multitude of things that you're going to need to do onto your form, so we're just going to do this one as test form, and that's the title. And I'm also going to do a description and do test. And with this, you can also do bold, italic, underline, and much more. Now, you have the option to add some questions. On the side here, there are some tools that you can also use. You can add an image, a video, and much more, but we'll go into that a little bit later. The first thing you're going to do is add to a question. So I'm just going to add a question of what is 5 plus 5? Now, you'll see later why I actually add a question that has a specific answer, but you can also add an image to each question, and there are different places you can use for the type of question answer that you're going to do. I'm just going to do multiple choice for now, but there's also checkboxes where you can have a respondent check multiple options, and there's also a drop down where they can choose different options. But let's just do multiple choice for now. So for option 1, we will do 12. We can add the option and do the right answer, and then we can add another option as well. All you have to just do is click add option, or you can add an option that says other. Now, you can actually duplicate the question, or if you don't want it anymore, you can delete it as well, and you can make the question required, or you can make it not required. Now, the next thing you can do is add a section. Now, this section is a different part of the quiz, and it's basically just the same type of steps that you did for the title. So you would title the section something different and add questions on this section as well. You can do the same thing that you did on question 1. Now, I'm just going to delete this question because I would not like this section on here. And we are going to go to settings, where you can also see which ones can be changed and which cannot. You can make this a quiz to assign point values and set answers and such, and you can also manage how they are collected and whatnot if you're collecting email addresses or if you are sending their copy of their responses. And you can also see the form defaults. So for example, I'm just going to keep all of this the same, but I am going to make this a quiz. Now, the last thing that you can actually do is how to actually send this to people that would take this quiz. All you have to do is go over here and click send, and you can type in email addresses, or you can also just copy the link and send that to whoever you would like to respond to your quiz. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.